Hey everybody, it's Neil, and we don't have the garden going yet, but what I have here is some garden netting. I want to show you guys what this is here. This is garden netting. It provides a growth environment for plants. And so the goal is going to be to put some plants growing over here, and then this will cover it and keep hopefully the varmints and whatnot out of it. So let's just see how this looks and how big this is going to get. So it's 0.04 inches and 60 meshes, whatever that means. In my pocket. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. So it is a lot of mesh. So this is it. It's kind of like a fiberglass meshing here. So let's see this here. And this, let me see, how do I open this up without it getting too messy? Here. So it's going to be a pretty long thing, but you can see this is what it looks like here. A single ply of this is going to look like this. So the sun will go right through it. You can pretty much see right through it. The sun will go through it. It makes a slight little bit of a shadow on it, but not much. And it's going to be, you know, about that long, that wide. So maybe about 7 feet wide or so. And then I'm going to guess the length is going to be about 30 feet long or so. So that's going to be how it is. And we're going to put it out here, and it'll just be like this. And then going along here. So that's going to be really cool once we get it all set up. We'll get the hoops up and it'll be sweet. So thumbs up. This looks really nice. Looks like it's going to be good and durable. It doesn't fall apart, doesn't rip when I'm pulling on it. So I'm going to say nice mesh. Thumbs up.